सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
May I request Dr. Vijayanand Reddy, Director of Apollo Cancer Institute, to present the welcome address.
Keep it up. Copy of it. 23.
Hello, brother.
No.
Very good afternoon, each and every one of you are present here.
Okay.
On behalf of Apollo Cancer Institute, would like to extend a warm welcome to our chief guest, the Honorable Governor of Telangana and Lieutenant Governor of Pondicherry, Mrs. Tamilisai Soundararajan. I can proudly say that she is one of us as a doctor. She has started her career, like most of us, as a medical practitioner in gynecology, but with a difference. For 20 years, she is tirelessly involved in both social and public service, apart from doing the practice. She is involved in uplifting the living standards of people through better health and preventive care. And for the past 2 decades, she has an illustrious political career. She has rightly been awarded the prestigious Top 20 Global Women of Excellence. Hearty congratulations, madam. It's a great honor for all of us to have you here, madam, and your commitment towards providing better health to our society and state is an inspiration for all of us. I would like to welcome our beloved Vice Chairperson of Apollo Hospitals, Ms. Shobana Kamineni Garu. She was the President of Confederation of Indian Industry from 2017 to 2018. She was the first woman to hold this position. Congratulations, ma'am.
Okay, huh?
Ma'am, we could not have asked for a better leader who has always supported us, encouraged us, inspired us to work towards providing the best of the healthcare to the society. We are all your soldiers, ma'am, and you are the best general there, leading us on the path towards greatness. I also welcome Mr. Srinivas, Regional Manager of Varian, my esteemed team of oncologists, our colleagues from Apollo Hospitals, the running wheels of our department, radiation phases and the technologists, dedicated staff nurses and the supporting staff. It's our pleasure to welcome the press personnel. Thank you very much for being here and sincerely appreciate your presence for being here. And finally, I welcome all the friends and families of Apollo who have always supported us and are present here today. Finally, I would like to proudly introduce to our latest and next generation technology in oncology. It's called TrueBeam STX with Velocity. We will now be able to deliver seamless radiation therapy with utmost precision, the shortest treatment time, and the best of all, imaging when the patient is lying down on the couch, which is robotically controlled. The couch is robotically controlled of 0.1 millimeter accuracy, and hence the highest precision radiation treatment delivery, least possible side effects with high tumor control. As the governor was praying at the mission that the patient should get better with the mission, we assure you that, madam. Apollo Cancer Institute, with the able leadership, love, blessings and constant encouragement, and support from our beloved chairman, Sri Pratap C. Reddy Garu, the best of oncology expertise that what we have. And once again, with the latest technology, is now one step ahead and closer to fighting and eradicating cancer. We promise you all, we can and we will. Thank you all once again.
Thank you, sir. Can we have the audio-visual video on the TrueBeam, please? I cordially invite Ms. Shobhana Kamineni ma'am, Executive Vice Chairperson, Apollo Hospitals Group to address us.
Honorable Governor of Telangana and Puducherry, Dr. Shri Tamilisai Soundararajan. It's such a great honor to have you here this afternoon. More than anything else, I think it's not just Dr. Vijayanand spoke about your spiritual service for 20 years, but you still stayed true to your profession. I heard you in the room talking with Dr. Uma about what the latest techniques are for gynecology, and the way you touched the machine reminded me of my father, that every time something new comes in, he first prays and says, I hope this will help many. And I think, Honorable Governor, we will definitely fulfill that. That has been Apollo's mission from day one, to bring the best of care to every Indian and to make it affordable. We've kept that mission. Many of our technologies are the latest in the world, but at a fraction of world prices, which is why it's not just affordable for Indians, but many people from around the world come to Apollo to find cure. And I think that's really important. The next quick point I'd like to make is that, and I think the most difficult point, there's no one in this world today who has not had a family member, a friend, or someone they know with cancer. All of us have experienced the pain, and I think that this is evident from the statistics that 1 in 8 women in India will have breast cancer. We have a recurrence of 50% increase in cancers from 1990 to 2020. During the COVID period, yes, there was another imminent and far larger danger, but under that, we found that there were so many cases, and this is something that we are seeing every day. So I think that whatever we can do, whatever resources, hospitals like ours, with fantastic doctors, the strength of our bench of doctors is unparalleled in this country. And I think that these are the warriors of today, who will be able to fight and make sure that today cancer, as Chairman always says, it's no longer a death knell. If we can catch it early, 99% of cancers can be cured. And with machines like the TrueBeam, that this team in Hyderabad has vocally, you know how it is with doctors, very difficult for management to give you what you want. And I think that with your perseverance, to be able to get the best in the world here in this city really shows that we will make sure that Telangana is protected, that we will make sure that we continue to give fabulous service. Because lastly, as Dr. Vijayanand, you call me a general. A general is only as good as someone who can listen to the people, to the teams, that are fighting with them. And most importantly, it's not that we're fighting an enemy, we are fighting to keep people safe. And I think that's the most important thing, because today the real warriors, the real war is being fought by the medical fraternity. All of us in this room, please remember that we've fought for 2 years, we'll have to continue to fight. The new war is about the medical fraternity and how we keep humanity safe. And I think that tackling it from this today, speaking about cancer, is so important. We should not forget. And we'll continue to keep moving ahead. And Apollo Group, directed by its chairman, he fought for many years to get the proton. The fight for all the newest equipment has become a lot easier because everybody believes that this country continues to need the best, and we will continue to deliver it from Apollo. So thank you very much. And again, Doctor and Governor, thank you so much for being with us today. May I wish you all a very happy Navaratri. I think the Lord, and we will ask Devi to protect us and to protect the country from disease as much as we fight the battles within. So happy Navaratri to you and your families also. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. May I request you, ma'am, to felicitate Her Excellency, please?
Sit down, sir. Down.
Thank you, ma'am. May I take this privilege to request Dr. Srimati Tamilisai Soundararajan Garu, Honorable Governor of Telangana and Honorable Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry, to address us, please.
Special good evening to each and everyone. Srimati Shobana, Executive Vice Chairperson, Apollo Hospital Groups. Sri Y. Subramanian, CEO, Apollo Hospitals. Sri Dr. Vijay Anand Reddy, Senior Oncologist. Sri Tejasvi Rao, COO. And my respects to Sri Pratap Reddy Garu, Chairman, Apollo Hospitals. And when Dr. Vijay Anand Reddy told that Srimati Shobana Komini Madam is the leader, she is the captain. So a leader always produces not followers but leaders. So she has produced, Apollo Hospital has produced so many leaders who lead the situation, particularly the COVID situation and the vaccination program. I appreciate Apollo Hospitals for taking an active part in the vaccination program, not only in Telangana, all over the country, wherever the Apollo Hospitals are there, that I appreciate. It's a thanksgiving from an administrator so that we took care of the people in the preventive aspect of Corona. And when people were hesitant to take the vaccination, I have seen from Chennai, some of my relatives, they were telling, no, I will go and take the vaccination at Apollo because it will be safe there. So that confidence you created among the people, and I am really very happy to be here. And I always feel that I am one among you, the family, when I come to Apollo Hospitals, because you always intend to give the best to the people. Whatever may be the hurdles you face, you always intend to give the best to the people and with all the best heads you have. So I really appreciate it. I am immensely delighted to be a part of this event. Being a medical doctor, to be among doctors, I feel at home. It is like homecoming for me. I congratulate the management, doctors, students, and staff of the Apollo Health City on getting this new state-of-art equipment. And I'm very proud when she saw the students, she introduced me that my students are the best in the state and they are getting so much of good marks. They are placed high in the profession. I really, a motherly touch she had among the students, so I am really very happy about that. It is not only a moment of pride for the Apollo group, but also the moment of pride for the entire Telangana in having the one and the only true beam STX being launched today. So I thank not only the Apollo Hospital, it is not serving only the patients of Apollo Hospital, as it is the unique equipment which is the state of art, which is available, introduced only in, inaugurated only in Apollo. You are going to serve the entire state. As head of the state, I really thank you for that. I appreciate the efforts of Madam Sangeeta Reddy Garu and her team and Madam Shobana Garu in ensuring the new facility, and Honorable Pradap Reddy Garu for ensuring new facility for the benefit of Telangana people and people for many other states. I am sure that this True Beam radiotherapy system will help offer the best advanced healthcare system to the people. The real revolution in radiation therapy has come with intensity modulation and of radiation therapy, wherein we can deliver differential dose within the target volume ranging from 0 to 100% dose. Next, an innovation happened with imaging the patient on treatment couch to improve the accuracy of radiation delivery, and this is called the image-guided radiation therapy, where the target is visualized every day prior to treatment, creating